So now question number 5, exercise 1 is one circle, mathematics. So that the tangent to this edge. So first check whether this point lies on the curve or not. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 and definitely it is 5. So point lies on the curve. Then the equation of tangent can be written as x1 plus y1 is equal to 5. So x1 is 1, y1 is minus 2. So x minus 2y is equal to 5. Now we have to show that this line, this tangent also touches this. So condition of that tangency is what is the center of second circle? This is the C2, 4 comma minus 3. If this line touches this circle, then distance from the center of this line must be equal to radius R2. What is R2? R2 means radius of second circle, under root of g square, 16 plus 9 minus 20. C is 20. G square plus f square minus c. So this is under root 5. Now distance from this calculate. X minus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. From 4 minus 6 minus 5 upon under root a square plus b square. Which distance I am talking about? CP. CP distance. So this is 10. 5 upon under root 5 is equal to under root 5 and that is equal to radius R2. So this tangent will also touch the second circle. That completes the question. Thank you.